AI is a real hot topic at the moment, and everyone wants to find use cases of AI. We've been delivering maintAI projects for customers across the globe for over 5 years. We've delivered 50 projects, therefore it's a tried and tested solution within Wood. We're using generative AI to do a lot of the heavy lifting that a person would have done in the past. So that's do a lot of calculations, analyse data, and give the subject matter experts the right information at the right time to make their decisions. Some of our case studies are we analysed and optimised a maintenance backlog for a client in the UK North Sea. That was 7 assets, over 100,000 hours of maintenance backlog to be analysed, and we delivered a project end-to-end from receipt of data to upload of the new optimised maintenance backlog in less than 6 weeks, and that took 30% of their maintenance backlog out of the system.